So we are back again with exercise 2D. Okay. In exercise 2D, I find that we have only multiplication, irrespective to what we saw in exercise 2C, where we saw addition as well as subtraction. In exercise 2D, what I find, we shall go a little slow, okay, because some children, they have some problems in sums, saying that they haven't understood. I think that they are not viewing the video properly. For example, when you have, my dear, 5 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 7, okay, here what you need to do, you need to follow a rule of cancellation. If not, then you need to multiply the numerator, 5 into 3 and 4 into 7, which comes to your 15 by 28. Why? Because I see that the numbers, they cannot cancel. Only numerator can be cancelled with the denominator by only one number. Like when I come to number 3, okay, where you have minus 12 by 5 into 10 by minus 3, okay, I find that the numbers over here can be cancelled with 3 1 times and 3 4 times. While when you come to these two numbers, the denominator and the numerator over here, 5 1 times, 5 2 times. So we get our solution as minus 4 into 2 as numerator, while the denominator, in denominator we do not have any number, isn't it? But still we have minus 1 over here. So this can be cancelled and you can write it as 8, 4 2 times 8. Let us take another sum like number 6, where you have 2 14 by 25 multiplied by minus 5 by 16. Here I find that this particular number, which is in mixed fraction, this needs to be converted into improper fraction. So let's convert this into improper fraction. How shall we do so? 2 times 25 plus 14. This 25 remains over here, multiplied by minus 5 by 16. So 25 2 times 50 plus 14 by 25 multiplied by minus 5 by 16. So here we have 64 by 25 multiplied by minus 5 by 16. Now you have to see whether the numbers cancels or not. I said only the denominator and the numerator can cancel, either this way or this way, the denominator and the numerator, by only one number. So we have 5 1 times, 5 5 times, while these two I can see that they can get cancelled with 8 2 times and 8 8 times. Once again they can get cancelled, 2 1 times and 2 4 times. So we have our solution as 4 minus 4 by 5. So this is your final solution. Okay. Similarly in number 8 over here, 5 by minus 27 multiplied by minus 9 by 20. What problem we have over here? If you can get the benefit of cancellation, these two numbers, as you can see, they can get cancelled with 9 1 times and 9 3 times 27, 5 1 times, 5 4 times. So we have 1 by 3 times 4 is equal to 1 by 12. Where lies the problem? There is no problem at all, isn't it? Let's come to question number 2, where you have simple multiplication. Okay, I would use the paper sheet, opposite side of the sheet. We should save sheets also, isn't it? Paper. Question number 2, where we have multiply. In this multiplication, what you have is the same thing. Like when you do number 3, 6 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 8. They have said multiply this and this. So this and symbolizes multiplication. I'll put the sign of multiplication over here. 6 2 by 3 can be converted to improper fraction, like 6 into 3 plus 2 by 3 and minus 3 by 8. So this simplifies to 6 3 times 18 plus 2, 20 by 3, and when you multiply with minus 3 by 8, as I said, you have to take the benefit of cancellation. So 3 one times and 3 one times, minus remains over here, while these two will get cancelled with 4 2 times 8, 4 5 times 20 is equal to minus 5 by 2. So this minus 5 by 2, either you leave it in this form, saying that it is in the form of rational number, okay, or you can also convert it into this form. So it's better you leave it in this form only, because we are dealing with a rational number, isn't it? For example, when you take one more number like 7, in this 7 we have 5 1 by 8 and 16, so multiply by minus 16. This minus belongs to 16 only, so please convert this into improper fraction. 8 into 5, 40 plus 1, 41 by 8 multiplied by minus 16. So 8 one times and 8 one times and 8 two times 16. Do we have any more number by which it can get cancelled? No. Therefore we have 41 into minus 2 is equal to 82. I hope you have done all these kind of sums in your previous class, means class 6. That's what I mean to say, isn't it? I'll do one more. 12, we have minus 24 and 5 by 16. Where lies the problem? No problem at all. As I said, the denominator and the numerator can only get cancelled if there is a number which can cancel both of them. Of course there is. As I find 4 times 16, while 4 6 times 64, 24. 2 times 4, 2 3 times. So here we get a number minus 3 into 5, minus 3 into 5 by 2. So what the number is? The number will be minus 15 by 2. As I said, leave it in this form only, isn't it? When I come to question number 3, there you have evaluate. In question number 3, you can say that it's a little different. In question number 3 is ought to be taught. I think so. For example, when you come to number 1, why? Because it is a combination of both multiplication and addition, subtraction, isn't it? So here in question number 3, you can say that the Bodmer's rule comes into play. Bodmer's rule comes into play. So you shouldn't forget this. Okay. When you come to question number 1, I have minus 6 into 5 by 18 and minus 4 2 by 9. So as you proceed, isn't it, we need to follow the Bodmer's rule, as Bodmer's rule, in which we shall be solving this bracket first. So here in this bracket, as I said, you can get it cancelled by a specific number. 6 1 times, 6 3 times. So here this simplifies to minus 5 by 3. So such a big number got simplified to minus 5 by 3. Here you have minus sign over here, while this number will become 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. Remember, the minus sign is still over here. So now, before solving, minus 5 by 3 minus multiplied by minus is plus 38 by 9. Now, as I said, when two fractions are to be added, their denominators are to be made same. Okay, so either you can adopt by this method or some other method, but the method should be the same. Okay, I do not stick to one process. Here I find that this can be solved. As I said, the denominator should be same. So here what can you do? A maximum of, if you multiply the denominator over by 3 over here, so this will become 9. And as I said, it doesn't belong to our property. So naturally I have to multiply the numerator also by 3. So the same number becomes minus 15 by 9 plus 38 by 9. Now can you add it? I hope you will not say no. Here you have minus 15 plus 38. Two numbers have different signs, so we will subtract it, isn't it? So on subtraction we get 23. 38 minus 15, 23. But the bigger number has plus sign, so I will put plus sign over here by 9. This is what is your final solution. Let us do number 3. 1 2 3. Okay, 11 by minus 9 into 21 by 44 plus, they have kept this in bracket, plus minus 5 by 9, they have kept this in bracket, multiplied by 63 by minus 100. Okay, so what I see that the multiplication should be solved first with the bracket. So since this is in bracket, so here you don't have any issues. Here I find that you have plus sign also and multiplication sign also. Therefore, this portion should be solved first and then added. So let's cancel it. I have got beautiful numbers. See, they are not your enemies. They will give you a number which you can really solve it. 11 1 times, 11 4 times. 3 times, 3 7 times. As I said, you have to divide the numerator and the denominator by a specific number only. 9 7 times, 63. While as I said, this plus, this minus and minus will get cancelled. 5 2 times 10, 1 0. So now our number simplifies to 7 by minus 12. So this minus can be taken up. We had already learned in the previous session. Plus 7 by 20. Is it clear? Now, the LCM of 12 and 20, you will find it as 60. 60 divided by 12. 60 divided by 12. Okay, so 60 divided by 12 is how much? 5. 5 multiplied by minus 7 plus 60 divided by 20 is 3 multiplied by 7. 7 5 times 35, and here you have plus 21 by 60. So 35 minus 35 and plus 21, they have different signs, therefore we need to subtract. So how much we will get? 4 1, and here the sign will belong to minus sign, because from the 2 the bigger sign has minus sign. Now you can cancel it more, like 2 7 times and 2 3 times is equal to minus 7 by 30 is your final solution. Similarly, if you keep on practicing, I don't think that you will have any problem, isn't it? You won't have any problem. For example, I'll do one more, okay, and then I'll leave remaining to you people only. I do not want to make the video long because I know you all have some net problems. Minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 2, okay, plus bracket 9 by minus 5 into 10 by 3, this is also fine, minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 4. Make it sure, my children, that your first step before solving a sum is to copy the questions correctly. Even in the examination, here you make lots and lots of mistakes, okay. So let's see. I am going to simplify each of these brackets and I will reduce it into simple fraction, but I have to check whether they will cancel it or not. 2 1 times, 2 times, 3 1 times, 3 times, 5 1 times, 2 times. I am enjoying, enjoying more than you people. So here we have minus 6 by 5 plus, I am going to give this plus because I am scared of this minus sign, minus 6, 2 times 6, and minus is over here. I have kept it in bracket. Minus, let me see, minus into minus, plus 3 by 8, okay, plus 3 by 8. Now this minus 6 means minus 6 by 1. Let me reduce it little more. Minus 6 by 5 plus into minus, minus 6 by 1 minus 3 by 8. So now I hope now the same sum simplifies to a smaller one, and for that I need to take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 8 will be 40. 5 8 times minus 8 into 6 minus 40, my goodness, minus 40 into you can say 40 into minus 6, this will be plus 40 into minus 6, and here we have minus 3 into 5. Once again, the LCM of 5, 1 and 8 is 40. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So 8 multiplied by minus 6, I'll better write 8 multiplied by minus 6 over here. Okay. Similarly, 40 multiplied by minus 6 and 40 divided by 8 is 5. So 5 times minus 3. I think I am getting a bigger number. So however, minus 40, here we have minus how much? 240 minus 15 by 40. My goodness, such a big number. I am scared. Okay, so here we have 5. All of them have the same sign. Okay, all of them have the same sign. So when I add all of them, I'll get minus 303, and here I have 40 over here. You can leave the number as it is, or it's better you change it into mixed fraction. Okay, 5 3 by 40 is your final solution. Okay, so I am not going to extend it. Just your home assignment for tomorrow is 1 2 3 exercise 2D 1 2 3 only. Okay, and I hope you can do it. Try again and again, and I will be coming very soon. That's tomorrow only. Tomorrow our next class will be from 4 to remaining, if I find it possible. Thank you.